Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Kidder County in south-central North Dakota, southeastern Burleigh County in south-central North Dakota, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sterling, or 23 miles east of Bismarck, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Kidder and southeastern Burleigh counties, including the following locations: Driscoll. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.